Next, students, now we can see the next application, that is phase shift circuits. Here the phase shift circuits produces a phase shift that depends upon frequency and maintain a constant gain. These circuits is also known as constant delay filters or all pass filters. That constant delay refers to the fact that the time difference between the input and output remains constant when frequency is changed over a range of operating frequency. This is called all pass because normally a constant gain is maintained for all the frequency within the operating range. And here there are two types of circuits, that is phase lag circuits and phase lead circuits. First we can see phase lag circuits. Phase lag circuits is constructed using an operation amplifier connected in both inverting and non-inverting terminal. It is assumed that the input voltage Vi drives a simple inverting amplifier with input applied at negative and positive terminals of the operation amplifier. And it is also assumed that the inverting gain is -1 and non-inverting gain after the low pass circuit is AV equal to, that is the non-inverting gain is AV equal to 1 plus RF by R1. If RF equal to R1, then it is non-inverting gain is 2 and the inverting gain is 1. Now we can move on to the analysis part. This is the circuit diagram. In analysis, as operation amplifier op-amp, current is 0. I1 flows through C while I2 flows through RF. While due to virtual ground, we are saying VA equal to VB. From branch C, VB can be written as 1 by C into integral of I1 into dt, since the current flowing through C is I1. And using Laplace transform, we can write that VB of S equal to 1 by SC I1 of S. Mark this as equation 1. And from branch R, I1 of S equal to Vi of S minus Vb of S divided by 2. Mark that equation as equation 2. Substituting equation 2 in 1 and simplifying, we get the value of Vb of S equal to Vi of S divided by 1 plus S into Cr. Here, and also from branch R1, I2 of S can be given by this equation, and from branch RF, I2 of S can also be given by this equation. Here VA and VB are virtually grounded, therefore VA equal to VB. After simplifying, we are getting, that is V naught of S by Vi of S equal to 1 minus SCR divided by 1 plus SCR. We are substituting the value of S equal to j omega. Therefore, we are getting the voltage gain. And if you are finding the magnitude is seems to 1. Hence, V naught equal to Vi of N. And also, the phase angle can be written as -2 tan inverse of omega RC. Here, when omega equal to 0, then theta equal to 0, and when omega equal to infinity, then theta equal to -180. And here, if you are substituting omega equal to 2 pi into f, and we are taking f naught equal to 1 by 2 pi RC, then theta can be written as -2 tan inverse of f by fc. Next, in the case of phase lead circuit, the phase lead circuit, here the phase lead circuit is in which the RC circuit forms a high pass network, and the output voltage is derived and expressed by using the first equation, that is V naught of j omega by Vi of j omega equal to 1 minus j omega divided by 1 plus j omega. And here, that is the above equation, and here the above equation, that is above equation signifies that the ratio of magnitude in constant, and here the phase is obtained by, that is theta equal to 180 minus 2 tan inverse of omega by RC. After substituting the value of omega equal to 2 pi into 2 pi f, therefore theta can be written as 180 minus 2 tan inverse of f by f naught. And this is the plot for the Bode plot for the phase lead circuit, showing the magnitude as well as the frequency response. Thank you.